Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Libra from 15th to the end of July 2021. So watch this video if you're a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit and check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing a lot of remedies, switch words, daily horoscope, etc, etc. So you can just go to my Instagram. The name is popping on the screen. The link is in the description. So let's see messages for Libra. You know, one of my client turned friend now. So her friend, so Jyoti's friend from Amritsar, I guess. So she was like, when will you upload Libra? And I was like, today, today, we'll upload today. And she's like, oh, don't you like us? I was like, no, nothing like that. I told Jyoti to tell to her friend that there's nothing like that. It's just that I'm a little busy with work, you know. So yeah, here we are. Libra messages. Wow, that's a beautiful energy. Ace of Pentacles, you guys must be starting something new. And I see you're in a hurry to start something new. So some of you, maybe you are trying to take a new project. You're trying to find ways to make money, or you're just trying to like impulsively you want to make a decision. You're trying to be slow. You're trying to tell yourself that let me go slow, let me take it one step at a time, let me do this, let me do that. But then internally your brain or your heart, your mind, everything is telling you to rush, let's do this, let's do that, blah 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 blah. So that is your energy. You're right now battling between going slow and want to go fast. So that kind of battle is happening in your life. Okay, give me some love messages for Libra, please. 7 of Wands. See, again, you're trying to hold yourself back from doing something. You want to do something. Some of you, you want to walk away from something. Some of you, you want to say something to somebody. Maybe somebody walked away from you and you want to tell this person something. Like there was closure issues. You could never really tell this person something. Now you want to really approach, but you're holding yourself back. I see that you're in some sort of fix. You're really confused what to do. So you see again the same freaking message repeating. You want to do something, then you want to rush in towards something, you're holding yourself back. Again, you want to do something, you're holding yourself back. What is it? Let me know in the comment section. What are you trying to hold yourself from? You're trying to refrain yourself from something. You just want to act in a certain way in a situation, but then you tell yourself, no, not the right time. I'll do it later on, have patience. You know, that kind of conversations you're having with yourself. But I see a very fast moving energy around you. Something is telling you to go for something. Something inside you is telling you to like go. But then you're like, no. Let me wait. All right. Give me some present energy for Libra, please. What is up with Libra these days? Okay, so wow, 7 of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. So I see that you must be doing something very beautiful, very creative these days. You're working really hard on something. 7 of Pentacles is my card of hard work. So it's like you are sowing the seeds so that you can reap the rewards later on. Right now you're trying to make foundation for something. Some of you, you are working on a career or a project thing, and right now you're just giving in your 100% so that it can give you results later on. When it comes to love, again, you want to hear from somebody, you want to maybe make a move towards somebody, but then you're holding yourself back. I see there's a lot of love between you and someone, but both of you are trying to hold yourself from each other. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There is no much communication happening between both of you, though both of you desperately want to talk to each other. The 8 of Wands and the Page of Cups. You both want to communicate with one another, but then something holds you back. Some of you, this person is writing and deleting messages because they don't know how to come towards you. Okay, what happened in the past? What was the obstacle between Libra and their person? 2 of Wands. Somebody did not make a decision. You know, 2 of Wands is a card of decision, and somebody shied away from making a decision. Somebody was acting very sneaky, and you kept on asking for commitment, or you kept on waiting for this person to make a move towards you, but they never did that. And that is a problem here. Somebody not taking action at the right time led to a missed opportunity between you and them, and now this person is looking back at you. So when it was time, they did not do anything, and now they keep on looking back at you. So maybe this person would try to come back and you'll be like, what do you want now? When it was time, you never made an action, and they will be like, I was confused. So yeah, I see that somebody just did not do the right thing at the right time, and that actually led to a lot of disappointment for you. You were really hoping that this person would do things, but they did not, and maybe that is why you are now holding yourself back. So it's like you want to reach out to this person, but then you keep on reminding yourself how they treated you or how they did not made an action towards you. So now you keep on telling yourself, no, I'm not gonna go towards this person. They never make their mind, they never take an action. Why should I do the work? You know, you are having those kind of conversations with you, within you. You really have a hard time trusting this person. There is still love though. You know, one message that keeps on coming here is that there is love. So though you are really confused about this person and you do not want to give them a second chance, or maybe you want to give them a second chance but you're skeptical, but I see there's a lot of love between you and them. Some of you are dealing with a Taurus or a Gemini. So you want to let go of something or someone, but something in you is not letting you go of this person. There's still a lot of love and a lot of emotions here, and that is why you have a hard time. You have a hard time letting go of this person. Page of Pentacles. You want to talk to them. Page of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups. Communication and celebration. You want a communication so that you can celebrate. You are waiting for some sort of news from this person, communication from this person. You are. And if you want to tell me no, then you're just making a fool of yourself. You're not speaking much about it. You're trying to keep it a secret that, oh my God, I am not interested in this person. But deep down you are. You are interested in this person. You still wait for a message from them, don't you? And that might be because things were not said. There were secrets in the past. That is why you are not able to move on completely. King of Cups. Again, it says that there is love. Both of you want to work on the situation. So I see that two grown-ass adults behaving like stupid and wasting each other's time when they know there is love, when they know there is potential, they are not making a move. You both are wasting each other's time. You think they are wasting your time, they think you are wasting their time. There is potential here. Why are you wasting each other's time? I also see that either you or your person, there's a lot going in one person's life, and that might also be a reason why things are not moving progressively in the connection, because they're busy with something, or you are busy with something. Somebody is very busy, maybe career or finance or whatever. What is the future energy for Libra? Wow, Magician and the Empress. You have Libra, can I tell you something? I see that you're manifesting this person, but you're not telling them. You know, I was reading this quote on Instagram, like not a quote, a meme basically, where a guy said that a woman will manifest you, will light candles for you, will do whatever, but she will not tell you straight up. So I see that you are doing that here. You and this person, you're both manifesting each other. You both want to be in each other's life. But what are you doing? Not telling to each other. You're praying, manifesting, hoping, wishing. But you will not go and tell this person straight up. Or you don't want to. You want this person to be manifested in your life. You are manifesting. Magician and the Empress is a clear case of manifestation, or hoping, or wishing, or praying, or whatever. You love this person. They love you. What else do you want? Nine of Pentacles. This person thinks that you're very beautiful. Libra. Okay, there's mutual connection here. You're just wasting each other's time by delaying the process. Definitely. Some of you, you're also very focused on something in your personal life. You're very busy making money, elevating yourself, working on your skills, improving yourself, taking care of yourself, maybe hitting gym, eating clean, I don't know. And you're doing all of this because your person is being very cold and distant. So you're like, meanwhile you are cold and distant, let me focus on myself. Let me work on my ass. Let me work on my abs. So you're not very much bothered about you always know that this person is going to come back, so that is why you're not bothered. Some of you also realized your self-worth. That is why you're not lowering yourself, because you anyway know that this person is not going to go anywhere. World card. You know this person is not going anywhere. They will come back to you. In the past, you were really disappointed, but now you're not. By the process, you have actually realized your self-worth. So you're like, I'm okay. If you want to be in my life, level up and then we'll talk. You are not doing much about it. I see somebody is going to reach out to you. There's still a lot of emotions. This reading is all about reconciliation. There's a lot of love. Love is overflowing. I see this person is going to reach out to you and they are going to be having a very emotional conversation with you. So whatever they are trying to hide till now, everything is going to come back. Somebody's feelings for you are going to be exposed. 9 of Wands. This person knows that you're very guarded. Your silence actually bothers this person. They want to make move towards you, but then they know that you're very silent. So yeah, this connection here is not still done. I see there is still your karma left. Some of you, this could be a karmic relationship, soulmate or something like that. So your karma is still not finished. It's an unfinished business, and I see this person wants to talk to you. They desperately want to come towards you and you want to talk to them as well. You both will be talking very soon, as I said. So this is just like a runner-chaser thing going on for now. But you guys are going to get back together. Or at least you will talk. And then you can decide what you want to do from there on. Alright, anything else? Both of you love each other, right? Then what the hell? Strength card. Ooh. You changed this person, or you will change this person, or this person is a changed person now. I see somebody changed in the process. Yeah, so the connection is not over. Death card. You think it is over, but it is not. See, the strength is here. There is still things left to be done, to be said. And whatever clarity and communication you're hoping it's coming in. I see somebody hides their feelings a lot. Queen of Cups can be very secretive. So the only problem here is that this person hides things, but now they will speak up. Some of you might also be having more than one option in love. However, I see that you will go back to this person, or you want to talk to them. You really, really hope that this person comes up clear to you and they tell you what it is, so that you both can be together again. You both want to connect, you both want to speak, and you both want to be together. So why the hell are you wasting my time? It's a clear case of reconciliation and communication. Both interested. So they are interested in you as much as you are interested in them. Okay, message for Libra, please. Message for Libra. Let your friends help you. Some of you, they will try to talk to your friends to reach to you. So they might try to do that. Heart-to-heart conversation. Told you. Engagement. See? Oh my God, this could be the one. Some of you, this is the one person for you. So maybe that is why no matter how many times you break free from each other, you always come back together, because this is the person for you. Some of you, as I said, you still have karmic knots tied. So that is why no matter how much you want to get rid of this person, you cannot. Some of you, this is the person for you. And you know it intuitively, as I said. Now you're not fretting over the situation. You know this person is going to come into your life anyway. So why not I spend time with myself? Why not I level up myself? Why not I work on my stability, my money, my career? So you're trying to do all of that because you know this person is not going anywhere. You very well knew. So you've stopped taking burden about them and you're trying to focus on yourself. Meanwhile, I see this person wants to reach out to you for a heart-to-heart. And they might try to do it through your friends or family. So keep an open eye. That was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. What are you waiting for, Christmas? I'll see you very soon in the next video. And like my video for 100 years of good luck. Lots of money and booty, lots of cake. And I will see you very soon in the next. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.